In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Sweatcoin with PayPal. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you go over to the options to redeem your Sweatcoins as prizes and other items, you might have noticed that PayPal is nowhere to be seen. As of today, the option to withdraw your Sweatcoins as PayPal currency does exist. However, the reason why you cannot access it as of today is because you don't have the influencer status. As you can see on screen, PayPal is available for those who have the influencer status inside of Sweatcoin. So if you wish to withdraw your Sweatcoins as PayPal balance or PayPal currency, you will have to become an influencer and always be inviting people in order to access these rewards. Even if you select your desired amount of PayPal cash, you will notice that alongside the set Sweatcoins that you need to spend, you will also have to invite people to buy them. So the only way to withdraw your Sweatcoin balance to PayPal is by inviting people. Once you invite a certain amount of people, you will get the option to redeem one of these PayPal cash cards. You will be able to become an influencer when you invite at least 20 new unique users by sharing your invite link. It is only after they register and validate their account that you will be added to the influencer program. There is no workaround to this, and the option to withdraw PayPal will only be available once you become an influencer. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Sweatcoin with PayPal. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.